Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another episode of the Cooler Talk with me, Lerato. In today's episode, we'll be editing the homepage of our website, so let's get straight into it. First, we're going to change the logo for our website, and we do that by clicking on Customize, selecting the logo, and you can either choose a logo from Elementor or you can upload your own logo. So once you've uploaded your logo, you could leave it as is, or in my case, I want to adjust it. So I'm going to adjust the sizing, I'm going to edit the tagline for my website, and play around with it a little bit just to see what I'm happy with. So just a heads up, you want to check that your settings are compatible with both your mobile version and your tablet version. So to check on the progress of my website, I'm going to delete everything that comes after WP admin on my search bar, and it will take me back to my website, as you can see, and I can check on the progress while I work on it. Next, we want to work on the rest of our homepage, and we'll do that by clicking on Edit with Elementor, and this will take us to Elementor's editing. So from here we can edit a couple of things, including images, slogans, and buttons for our homepage. So I'm going to right click on these 6 buttons here and click on Navigator. This will show me all the sections that are available on my homepage. So this image I'm going to keep. I just want to check the compatibility of this image with my cell phone version of the website, and I'll do the same for the website to make sure that the images show up the way I would like them to. Now I want to adjust the name of my website on my homepage because it's not giving what I want it to give right now. And please don't forget to click on update to save the changes that you make. Now I really feel like I scored with this template because I really like this image as well. So I'm just gonna change the headings and make them a little bit more suitable for my website in a suitable language as well. Now I'm thinking I really want to rotate her image horizontally. To do this is very simple. Just select the image, click on edit, flip horizontally, save changes, and voila, we've got the flipped version of this image. So next we want to change the shopping experience down here. Currently we have tops, accessories, bottoms, and dresses, but I'm going to change a few of the images and the categories that are currently here. To change the image, I'm going to select it, and you can either go for free images or something that's already in the media library. And I think for this, I have something in the media library that I can use. This says tops, but I'm going to change that to cosmetics. So I'm going to search under free images for something that's cosmetics related. And this lady with the oranges over her eyes has really popped out for me. So I'm going to use this image and I'm going to change the wording there to say cosmetics, because that's what this category will be for. Now I'm thinking I should delete the bottoms and the dresses because they're not relevant to my website, and I'll just keep the cosmetics and accessories. I think I'm also going to delete the testimonials because we don't have those at the moment. And I know it probably seems like my decisions are really random, but I did do a lot of planning before I started editing the website. Now for the final change on my homepage, I'm going to change this image, and I've selected a very similar image, but this one gives off a different vibe. Now this part is very important, guys. You do not want to have misinformation on your website. So I'm changing this to say free shipping on orders over 600 Rand. No, let's make that 8. I haven't checked the progress of my website in a while, so let's do that now. Next, we're editing the footer, so we can edit footer on Elementor. And once again, I would like to remind you to only leave information on your website that is true for your business. Now the great thing about the footer is that once it's applied on your home page, it will apply to every other page on your website. To edit the most bottom part of our footer, we're going to click on customize and scroll all the way to the bottom. We will be able to edit off any headings and the logo that we don't need for this part of our website. You will notice at the most bottom part of the page there is a menu. On this menu, it shows you the positions of your different widgets, and you can decide to move them around, or you can remove some of them, or you can add new ones depending on what you would like to display on this part of your website. For this website, I'm going to remove the unnecessary information that is currently on my page, and I'll move my widgets around to suit the information I'd like to display. Firstly, my social media tags, and also changing the background color of my footer to match the rest of my website. Once I've selected a color that I'm happy with, that I feel matches the theme of my website, I'm gonna go back and check if I actually like the look of my website, including my footer. And that is my homepage all done. And that's it from this video. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to set up a shop for your website. Thanks for watching.